You've gone through the excitement of choosing a property and understanding the purchase process. But before you sign on the dotted line, there's one more crucial step: due diligence. This is where you protect your investment and make sure everything checks out. In today's video, we'll walk through the key factors you need to consider before buying an off-plan property in Dubai, ensuring you're making the smartest move possible. Developer, reputation, and track record. First thing first, research the developer. A great project can fall apart if it's handled by the wrong developer, so it's vital to look into their track record. Have they completed past projects on time? Were there delays? What's the quality of their finished properties? Start by looking at their history. What other projects have they completed in Dubai, and how did they perform? Were their buyers satisfied? You'll want to dig into online reviews and testimonials from previous buyers to get real feedback on the developer's reputation. If a developer has a solid reputation and has delivered consistently in the past, it's a good sign that you can trust them with your investment. Reviewing the sales purchase agreement, SPA, carefully. We've talked about the sales purchase agreement, SPA, before, but it's worth emphasizing again. Review the SPA carefully. This is the legal document that outlines every aspect of the purchase, and you need to understand every clause in it. Pay close attention to the payment terms so you're clear on what's expected from you and when. Also, check the completion date and the conditions for handover. Will the developer be responsible for any costs if there are delays? What are the penalties if the project isn't completed on time? Make sure there are no surprises hiding in the fine print. Exit strategies. Before committing to an off-plan property, it's important to think about your exit strategy. Are you planning to sell the property before it's completed, or will you rent it out once it's ready? If you are an investor, consider the resale market in the area. What's the demand like for properties similar to yours? Make sure you're choosing a unit that will hold its value over time. For apartments, selecting one with unobstructed views or units that are limited in numbers can guarantee capital appreciation and high rental yield. This means your property will have better resale value and stay occupied longer. For villas or townhouses, choose a unit that's corner located or single row and close to amenities, schools, or retail shops. These are the units that tend to have higher demand and fewer competitors in the market, ensuring better long-term returns. Understanding potential delays. One of the risks with off-plan properties is the potential for construction delays. While most developers do their best to stick to deadlines, it's not uncommon for projects to be delayed for a variety of reasons. Understand the developer's compensation policy in case of delays. Will they cover any costs if the project is significantly delayed? Some developers might offer rent compensation or other perks to make up for lost time. Finally, have a contingency plan in place. If the handover is delayed, do you have backup options for accommodation or cash flow if you were planning on renting the property out right away? Doing your due diligence is the most important step you can take to protect your investment. By researching the developer, reviewing the SPA carefully, thinking about exit strategies, and being prepared for potential delays, you are ensuring that your off-plan property purchase is as smooth and successful as possible. In our next video, we'll guide you through the post-purchase process and what to expect after the handover of your off-plan property. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to our channel for more advice on Dubai real estate, and leave your questions in the comments below. We're here to help you every step of the way. See you next time.